Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever you're watching this is What's Investing. And today's wee video is just showing you how to calculate your stocks weighting in your portfolio. And before we get into that, if you haven't seen my last video, I'll be giving away $25 Sunday this week. And it'll be $5 to 5 people. So if you want to enter that, go check out that video. And also, if you're into photography, check out my Instagram. I upload lots of my favourite shots that I've taken throughout New Zealand. And that's just at What's Photography NZ. And so let's get into the video. So essentially I've created this wee sheet as an example for a portfolio. And these are just randomly named companies just to kind of make it easy and more visual. So what you want to do is set up your spreadsheet, or if you've already got one set up, and just have key things like the name of it, the industry it's in. If you don't care about what industry it's in, you can just have the name, which makes it simple. Just have basic things like its ticker, how many shares you got, and how much you've invested into it. And to calculate the weighting, which is how much of your money that's in the portfolio is invested in that specific thing, you simply divide the amount that's invested by the total equity and then times it by 100. And an easy way to do that on a spreadsheet is just do the amount invested divided by the total, and then just click the percentage option up there, and this will just show you your weighting of each different stock that you own. So if you owned this kind of portfolio in tourism, you'd have 7% of your portfolio. In food or fast food, you'd have 12%. In property, 21%. Finance, 13%. Healthcare, 18%. And logistics, 28%. And it can help you see where you need to diversify and kind of where your money is, because just the names of some things, like, I don't know, what's the name of something that I don't know, like say with like Hallensteins. If you don't know what Hallensteins is, you don't know that it's like clothing and retail. So if you put the industry there, it forms a better idea, like consumer goods. And so you can be more resilient to different changes in the economy. So with like coronavirus, logistics and retail, and maybe food and property would have gone down, but healthcare and lots of different funds would have gone up at the same time. So you can diversify and shape your portfolio to how you want it. And to get this kind of graph, you just simply select the weighting panel and then either the name or the industry, and then you just go insert chart, and it will just give you one already if you just select pie chart, and it'll be as easy as that. So that's basically the video for today. It's just basically showing you how to calculate a weighting. If you have more stocks, you can do it. You just make this a lot bigger, and obviously the percentages will be different. And just on my personal note, something that I wouldn't do is I wouldn't have more than like probably 8% on one thing, unless it is a fund or ETF, because you don't want all of your money in one basket. So it's quite risky to have a big amount. Like, depending on your risk tolerance and how much you believe in the certain companies, your numbers will be different. But for me, I don't want to have more than, say, that kind of number in one thing. So with this portfolio, I would kind of lower my investments in these areas, or try and invest in more different industries, increase this one maybe a tiny bit. And with the logistics fund, I'd still decrease it a bit, but keep it reasonably high anyway, because it is a fund, so it's already diversified. Obviously with this type of fund, it's not diversified because it's only logistics, but with, let's say, NZ Top 50, that's diversified through different industries, through retail, food, healthcare, logistics, electricity, those kind of things. So this wee video is just showing you how to take control of your spreadsheet and understand what you're doing a bit more. Cheers guys, happy investing, and yeah, if you haven't, like, subscribe, go check out my photography page, and join the giveaway, free money. Enjoy. But yeah, also I will be uploading a video at the end of this week talking about my auto investment for this year, and this will be about $40 a week, and that'll be going through most of this year. I'll be turning it on and off depending on my cash flow. Yeah, so see you then guys, happy